The new LG B5 OLED AI Smart TV can transform how you watch films and sports, giving you amazing detail, colors, and contrast. Let's take a closer look. This TV uses OLED technology, which is widely believed to be the best you can get on a commercially available screen. An OLED display is made up of thousands of self-lit pixels that can turn on and off automatically, which means you get far more control over which parts of the screen are lit up. This then gives you next-level contrast, 100% color accuracy, and sharp pixel-perfect detail. It also gives you perfect blacks and prevents an annoying effect known as haloing, so you won't get light bleeding into darker areas. You get loads of detail too, as this TV is powered by the latest Alpha 8 AI processor. Its AI upscaling works in the background to further boost the picture quality, and it gives you enhanced, more immersive audio too, giving you an amazing audio-visual experience. And there are some features more specific to film buffs and gamers. When you switch on filmmaker mode, all the extra picture processing is turned off, so what you see is exactly what the filmmaker intended. Then, if you're in a mood for a gaming sesh, you'll be able to get the best settings for your game by switching on Game Optimizer. No more blaming the settings when you lose a level. There are loads of options when you're choosing what to watch, as this comes with LG's Smart Platform Web OS. Here you can find your streaming services and browse your films and shows all in one place. It's all controlled by the LG AI Magic Remote, which lets you use loads of AI features. These include the AI chatbot, where you can use your voice to change the image and sound settings, and Voice ID, which recognizes different users' voices to give them personalized recommendations. Finding your next binge watch is now a lot easier. If you'd like to find out more about this TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.